Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss capacitance in series. If we have number of capacitors and we want to connect them in series, what will the total capacitance? For example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 capacitors. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Either we have 2 or more than 2 in series, what will the total capacitance CT? If we have same value capacitor, if we have 2 capacitors of the same value, capacitance divided by number of capacitors. For example, this is 470 microfarad. We have 2 capacitors in series, 470 divided by 2. If we have 4 capacitors, value of one capacitor divided by number of capacitors. That is in case we have same value capacitor, but we have different value capacitor. Let's check the exact value so that we can find the exact capacitor value. 543 microfarad. We must use the same unit. If it is in microfarad, we will use microfarads. 961 nanofarad, 0.961 second capacitor, 1.54 microfarad. The unit here microfarad, here the unit was nanofarad, so I converted it into 0.961. It is 492 nanofarad, 491 nanofarad, 0.491. And the first one, 1482 microfarad. All capacitors are in microfarad. Now CT is 1 divided by 1 over C1, 1 over C2, 1 over C3, 1 over C4, C5. If it is microfarad, then we will write in the same microfarad. If any unit is other than microfarad, we will convert it. Point 0.0006747 1 over plus 1 divided by 0.491, it is 2.04. 1 divided by 0.1236747 plus 0408 plus 0.649 plus 1.04 plus 0.00184. It is 0.2679 microfarad. We can see we are using 1482, the largest capacitor. Then we have 0.49 microfarad, 1.5, 543. These are big numbers, but the total capacitance when in series, it will become 0.267 microfarad. Let's connect them in series. Then 1.54. I am connecting polar and non-polar capacitors together. It is just for example. When we are using capacitors, we must use AC capacitors or DC capacitors separately. Then it is 1 microfarad, and the last one, that is 470. The capacitor marking, that is 470 microfarad, but the physical value, that is 543 microfarad. Now I connected the capacitors in series. First capacitor is 1482 microfarad, 0.49, 1.54, 0.961 microfarad and 543 microfarad. The total capacitance now, it is 269 nanofarad or 268 nanofarad. We can say it is 0.269 microfarad. Our calculation is 0.2679. The last digit, that is 9. If we add one more, it will become 0.268. Digits are flickering from 0.268 and 0.269. In calculation, we considered just only the first higher digits, and the last sub-digits, small values, we skipped. If we add properly, the value will be 0.268 or closer to 0.269. So this value, our physical value and calculated value are the same. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.